Hi guys, welcome back to Black Stag Styling. So today we are off on a little bit of green laning in the Defender. So this should be a bit of fun. There's a few people meeting up in a little while, so I'm just waiting for a friend of mine to turn up, Andrew, and then we'll be going off to meet up with everybody else. I've no idea how many people are coming. I think there's Defenders, Landrover Defenders, and some pickup trucks. So should be good, this one. We're going to do some filming of the green laning. Who knows where we're going to end up and what sort of stuff we're going to be doing. But stay tuned. Don't forget, like and subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications, and let's see what today brings. Lovely jubbly. Off on some little bit of green laning. Are you ready, Andrew?
Yes. I think so.
Just about.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Cool.
Landrover Defender. It's the 90 version, so the shorter wheelbase.
Yeah.
It's a P-Reg 1996.
Quickly do your window up before we go through the wheels up. Oh dear.
Sorry, yes, where were we? So yeah, 1996 P-Reg.
Yeah.
It is the 2.5 engine, which is classed as the 300 TDI.
Okay.
And yeah, it's actually done just coming up to 162,000 miles.
Yeah, awesome. And am I right in thinking these were meant to be one of the most reliable ones that were made?
They were, yes. Yeah, so the newer or later versions came with a TD5.
Yeah.
But because of more electrics and an ECU,
yeah,
they just tended to be not quite as reliable.
Right, I see. Okay.
This version was a nice, simple diesel engine,
yeah,
5-speed gearbox. And they tended not to go wrong. So
awesome. So we're going to tackle some of these off-road routes, bring you along with us, and we're going to see how we get on in the Defender. So am I right in thinking this is totally stock?
Well, as in engine and gearbox, yes it is.
Oh, right,
yeah.
okay. Aesthetics, though?
No, for the rest of the vehicle, so we have at our Black Stag Styling have fully redone all the bodywork.
Yeah.
We've added the bigger wheels and tyres to it. Numerous things. We've upgraded the headlights to projection headlights.
Yeah.
Biggest things really are the interior for the seats.
Yeah.
And then Raptor coating, but the bodywork is now, instead of being the blue and the white, is now a nice orange and black.
Awesome.
So we're now coming to the end of our green laning morning and into the afternoon. We did stop and have a little bite to eat, which was very nice. Yeah, it's been a good day. Hopefully you've enjoyed a little bit of footage of our outing. We're trying to get some you know, interesting bits in it. Hi guys, so here we are with our after our off-roading green laning experience, and I'm sure you can see in the background our Black Stag Defender 90. So it's a great day out. Had some really good fun with some friends, met some new people, a new experience for us doing a bit of green laning. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. We'll give you a little look at the Defender, see what you think. It needs a little bit of a wash, which I'm now going to do. So here we go.